Welcome back programmers in the first video of data structure series. In this series we are going to talk about the arrays, linked list, stack, cube, binary tree, binary search tree, heap, hashing, graph and advanced data structure including matrix, string and all of the topics related to the data structure. Now what is data structure? A data structure is a particular way of organizing data in computer science that is so simple so that it can be used efficiently. For example, we can store a list of items having the same data type using the array data structure. This was just an example. Okay, now why you need to learn data structure? Now in this area of computer science, the data structure is the very important part of computer science, and if you go for any field related to the computer science you need to learn data structure. And if you wanna go on the machine learning, artificial intelligence, this is the very important part because this is the logical way, and if you want to crack your interview this will help you. If you want to build a logic or if you want to be master on the logic, this series will help you. It will cover all of the important part of the data structure. Now in this series we are going to learn data structure using two important programming language. The first one is the mother language C and the second one is the fastest language we got now, Python. Now for IDE part you can use any IDE you want. I am going to use the Jupyter notebook. Now the installation of the Jupyter notebook is very easy. Just open your CMD and install Jupyter using pip install Jupyter. And to run the Jupyter notebook on your browser, just write Jupyter -notebook. It will automatically open the Jupyter notebook browser on your host machine, which is nothing but the browser. So this is the Jupyter notebook. In here you can open a new Python file, text file or terminal. So I already created a project named the AIOC project, and in here I already created the untitled Jupyter file. The Jupyter file extension will be IPynb. So this is my Jupyter notebook. Okay, so that was the first video of introduction of data structure. Now I will upload all of the next part in my AIOC all-in-one code channel. So if you don't wanna miss that all video, which is a very important, so just hit on the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, obviously you gotta like this video, that's the way, and comment me if you wanna learn more about any theory. So that is it for today's guys. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.